In this video, we're exploring on how to find out exactly when you started following someone on Instagram. So first up, consider downloading your Instagram data. What's that, you ask? Well, it's like getting a backstage pass to your Instagram live, all your posts, comments, and yes, even the details when you started following someone. Now here's how to do it. Head to your Instagram profile and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now, from the menu that pops up, hit your activity option and scroll down a bit until you spot the download your information option and then tap on it. Now, just follow the prompt, select the account you want to include in the download, and that's it. After doing this process, just be patient as it may take anywhere from an hour to a few days for Instagram to process your request. But if you're more of a quick and easy person, then here's another method. Just simply go to your Instagram profile and tap on followings. Now here's the trick. Tap on the sort icon and you can get to decide whether you want to see the latest additions to your followings or the OG follows from way back. And that's it. Two simple and straightforward ways to check when you started following someone on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.